Hi, I'm Ara Fesperman with M. Stagers Realty Partners, the Missy Stagers team, and today we're going to talk about your database. Why is it so important to love on the people who know and love you? As a real estate agent, we're always out trying to chase that next lead, looking on things saying, hey, yeah, I could buy these leads online, or I could do this, and I'm gonna get all these people to call me that don't know me. So why would you not spend that extra time every month to come up with a plan to love on the people who already know you? January 1st, you need to be sitting down, setting out a plan. What am I gonna do for my people who know me every single month? You already have two gimmies, a birthday and a home anniversary. That's already taken out of the way. And if you have more than one person in the household, you got a couple of more birthdays there. Then all you have to do is come up with a couple of ideas to reach out to these people, send them something, tell them something, send them a quick video, whatever. But it's a great opportunity for you to get in front of people who already know you. You already have all their information, and you don't have to chase them down. So there you go. Love on your database. That will get you a long way in your real estate career, and make sure you keep up with those people as you move through your career. Have any questions? Give me a call, 210-324-7629. If not, we'll see you next time.